Hello, I'm Nathan. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you enjoy my content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. That way I can continue creating new content for you. If you'd like to support me directly, please consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/ndguthrie. The link is on screen and in the description below. Thanks for watching, and now on with the show. Hello. So I think what is going to happen today is it's actually going to wind up being a little shorter because I was reviewing my notes from the previous coding session that I did last week on Thursday, I believe it was, and I extended the read functionality just a little bit. So it shouldn't actually take too long today for this particular part of the series. So we'll go ahead and dive right in here. Let me pick up, here's our example, and here is the code from, oh, that's Wednesday's. So let's do this one. This should be Thursday's code. There we go. So really, all that we're going to do here for today is change, I should say, in order to keep it distinct from the update by post ID. I'll change, and we still got to do the delete, but we'll get to that. We got to change the read functionality, and all we're going to do here, it's as easy as just blocking this a block at a time. Start slinging copy pasta around. So all I got to do is say, okay, author first name, I think, oh good, okay, we're still recording, just checking. So I think all we got to do is say, all right, so we've built all this functionality already, so we're just going to copy this, starting with cursor. Starting with the cursor, we'll move all the way down and say, okay, there we go. Actually, we're going to need a little bit more than that. I think we'll need all of that because we already have the break here. And so all we're going to do, we're going to copy that. This one goes here. And I do this to be pedantic about it. When you see the next iteration, you'll start to see how my thought process moves forward in these incremental methods. And so once I get stuff working at a certain level, I extend it. Then I'll take all that out and make it its own function. So I'll do that probably in the next part of the series. So now all we got to do, so we've got the author first name up here. All I got to do is say author last name. Aha. See, there's our author last name. Here's our author last name. Last name. And everything else is the same. That's it. That's all we're doing. So this kind of you start to see, oh wait, I can pull all this out and make it its own function, which is what I do in the next session. So as you can see, I've got my length of post is greater than 1, so we found more than 1. Here it returns that query, blah, blah, blah. And then we just print it. And so now we can also do this for the post title. What we come down here, post that, insert that, cursor is there, and this time, I believe we called it the title. It should just be title. And this should just be, yeah, post title. I believe that's all we got to do. Selected posts. Nothing else depends on something specific. Everything else is the same. You don't have to change anything else. So hopefully I can save that. And if I clear this one out, okay. Let's do, this one is in, I believe it was Monday, because I started this on Monday, 27. There we go. There we go. So now let's do our Python PyMongo CRUD example. So we can, let's see, I hope I saved it. There we go, save that again. So let's read a post. So we did have the first name working, so we'll try that. And hopefully I connected to the database properly. And oops, I botched it. Let's clear that. Let's do this again. So we'll read the post. Read by, there we go, we gotta enter the selection first before I enter the name. Okay, so yeah. Hey, there we go. So we got 3. So now, let's try read again. Read by the author, last name this time. Yep. And we got 3. All right. Actually, we got 4 because at the 1, check that out. Oh, wait a minute, we got more than that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, 5. 4 and 5 because I have 2 by Nate and 3 by Nathan in the database. So cool. So that works. So you get some interesting differences going on there. All right, let's do another one. Read post and read by post title. Let's see, I think I can do, I'll try this one. I'll search for this one, yet another post, and we'll see if that actually works. So search by post title. Hopefully. Oh, nope, that didn't work. That's okay though, because that's a little trickier. So let's do read post, read by post title, because I might have inserted a, oh, that's the text. Need to try this one. There we go. We'll copy, insert that, a new post for this example. Hey, look at that. I think I'm printing it twice. I think I made that mistake in here, but that is, I think that's okay. Oh, I know why that did it, because I'm still finding one. So what I need to do is I need to get rid of that. And I also need to, I think I'm doing that up here too, because I saw that before. Yep. I need to get rid of that. Okay, there we go. If I save that, now that should do better. Yeah. And so let's go over to this guy here, and I'll do exit. Now try this again. And so we'll read post, read by author. I'll try the post title again. I think it was a new post for this example. There we go, and it only prints 1. So there's only 1. So it just finds the 1. And let's try the read post, and I'll try by last name. And I don't think it should print that again. Yes. Hey, there we go. Got all 5 of them. All right, and we got rid of that extra print out that was up here. So cool. So there you go. That's pretty much all I'm going to do for this session. And I've started posting these to GitHub. I'll provide a link in the description below. I have each day's progress that I worked on, like I said last week when I was doing a lot of this. And that way you can see the incrementalism. I think the big leap, or the quantum leap, if you will, for you know, if we want to call it that. I think the next step and the next phase, whenever I go back and start commenting on stuff, you can see how I'm starting to break stuff down and document my work, because it's starting to get just too long in one monolithic file of code. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace out.